shit. I'm so excited. What's up, GT gang? What do you think is in the box? Who's that Pokemon? Okay, but seriously, I bought a Hellcat rear subframe. This thing weighs 130 pounds. It comes with control arms, sway bar, and I got this shipped to my house for $575. I felt like that was an absolute deal. I actually just bought axles yesterday. I got both Hellcat axles for $350 shipped to my door. I'm like out of breath. So I am going to be looking around somewhere between the $1,000 to $1,500 range for an entire rear subframe swap for a Hellcat. Usually you can buy the entire kit or assembly for about $2,500 to $3,000, and that's shipped to your door. So I'm making out like a fat rat. I'm buying parts individually, finding good deals. But let's go ahead and unwrap this bad boy. All right, I was thinking about throwing you guys on a time lapse, but I feel like we should experience this together. So I'm gonna cut it right now. Let me know if you can't see anything. Okay, you can see? Okay. Here are all the control arms and such. So this is the rear subframe assembly. This is the same thing out of a Hellcat or a Scat Pack. So the sway bars there, along with control arms and such right there. As you can see, there is definitely some rust on this thing. So what I'm going to do is take it somewhere, or not even take it somewhere. I'll do it myself. I'll take it outside. I'll clean everything up, whether it's by sandpaper or with some type of grinder to clean up all the rust, and then I'm going to paint it with a brush with like Por 15 or something that is rust preventative, because my car is a southern car from Oklahoma, or Mississippi I should say, and this is completely rust free. So I'm not going to throw a rear subframe assembly that's rusty at all. Granted, it's a 2017 subframe, so it's not that bad. Literally all of it is surface rust. So I can just clean everything up, paint over it, and then we'll be good. So that'll be really easy to do. I'm really excited. So stay tuned, guys. This is badass. This is huge for the build. This is going to make it reliably hold 700 horsepower to the ground. So I just got off work, and I wanted to show you guys something. Check this out. So my counter's really dirty. Just bear with me. Look at that. Mojo GT Ship 2. Let's go, baby. All right, I'm going to open this bad boy up quick. Oh, yeah. Look at that. You got HHP stickers. You got to love those. So we got our basic Daco idler. You know, it's just a matter of fact that it's brand new. I needed one. I guess I didn't need one, but nothing wrong with new. This is only 20 bucks. Okay. So this is, check this out. This is a Supercharger part. Chrysler LX crank pin drill kit. I'm going to try to save this part number, so. Okay, so it comes with instructions. Here's what comes with it. A new bolt. I'm not sure if that's used to drill it on. Comes with a drill bit. That's a nice drill bit. And You have your adapter tool with the new dowel pin. So the dowel pin, basically, this allows it so your crank pulley, if you've installed one, you will know that, let's get this out of the shot. If you installed one, you would know that it's just a press fit. That is really, really annoying. And it's honestly, with the Procharger pushing a lot of boost, a lot of power, you can actually slip that pulley. So that's what this is. You just add a dowel pin onto the crankshaft, basically. So you have to drill into your crank, which can be very offsetting and off-putting for very many people. So here is we have Procharger crank pinning instructions. This could not be easier. So it looks like I have a sticker here. No, it's a packing slip, never mind. So it's a packing slip and an itemized receipt. So that's pretty badass. We'll go on to the next thing. So we have two things in here. It should be still another sticker. I should have two things in here right now. These are two very, very, very important things for the build. Okay, it's only one thing. The other thing must be coming in the mail still. Holy shit. Look at this thing, guys. Holy shit. Okay, so I'm trying to make it so you guys can see this. Okay. It has HHP machined into it, and it's taped on. Holy shit. So this is actually, it's like super high strength tensioner. Yeah, this is a tensioner. Sorry, I just got off work off a freaking 10-hour shift, so bear with me. So that's tape. But this is a brand new high strength heavy duty tensioner that a really big problem that people have with the Prochargers is belt slippage. And with this crank pinning kit, as well as this heavy duty tensioner, I can't think, we will be able to eliminate the belt slippage as well as the possibility of crank pulley slippage. So I have to get this installed, and that would be sick. There's no instructions for it, but it looks like it's pretty straightforward. So I'm stupid excited, guys. And what do we have here? Okay, so I actually opened these up earlier. Here are little spacers. These are 800cc, about 76 pound-an-hour injectors. And here they are. It's vacuum sealed, so they're brand new. Siemens injector manufacturer. We have part number right here. And they actually came into flow tests, so they passed all the leak tests. Spray pattern was good. And they're 800 cc's, and the lowest cc rating is actually 810, and the highest was up to 860 right here. And the high was 82 pounds an hour and a low of 77. So these are legitimate badass injectors, and I'm stupid excited about it. So holy crap, I'm so excited. I'm ready to put all these parts away. Okay, everybody, so this video turned into an unboxing video, a bunch of random parts. It's basically a compilation because multiple times. So this is a package from HHP, High Horse Performance. And as you can see, I don't know if you can see my, can you see my address? Probably. Anyway, check it out. We got Mojo GT, baby. So I am very excited for what's to come. Let's see what we got in here. I honestly don't remember what I got. I remember one thing that I got, and I don't remember the other things. But there should be multiple items in here. Oh, okay, there we go. So what is this? This is an extended rear sway bar link. So it looks like all they did was cut and weld it right there. So it's, you need these to run like 17 and 18-inch wheels for the rear. So that's nice. Here's a timing cover gasket, pretty simple. And then 4 MDS plugs These didn't really cost much. I think these were out of the door like 50 bucks. They're OEM too, so can't go wrong with OEM. And then we have the big boy. This is a rear main seal assembly. So I would show you what's in there, but it's a rear main seal. That's pretty much all that came with that one. I did order head gaskets through them, but they are on back order until the 1st. So if it takes any longer than the 1st, I might have to cancel them and order them somewhere else. So that's what's in that box, and I'm assuming I'll have something else in the next clip. So let's see what's next. Okay, so here are the specs. We have, oh, this is nuts, dude. Advanced duration is 282 intake, 298 exhaust, with the duration at 50 thousandths lift is 234 intake, 246 exhaust, lobe separation 115. This is going to be insane with my valve lift at 0.607 on the intake and 0.597 on the exhaust. This is going to sound insane, dude. The reason why my intake and exhaust separation, like the 234 versus the 246, why there's such a big difference is because since I'm going boosted, my exhaust duration needs to be longer so that the extra air that I'm pushing into my engine because of the turbocharger or the supercharger, I have to have a larger duration on the exhaust to be able to push that that air out. So let's go ahead and open it up. Dude, this is honestly one of the craziest things I've ever bought. Sheesh. Wow, dude. Now I can actually put a comp cam sticker on my car. Oh, I got 2 of them. I don't know what that means. Here's what it looks like, boys. This thing is mint. Obviously, it's fucking perfect, dude. I'm so hyped. Let's go, baby. That being said, thank you guys so much for staying tuned on this video. I'm going to clean this up. It'll be a separate video. I have to get the rear differential, axles, and such in, and then we can go from there. I also need spindles, so stay tuned, guys. You're about to die on me. So have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.